Well, hello and welcome to another
Wind Up Wednesday.
It is our first one of the academic year 2021-2022 / in between.
Yeah. All of that.
Yeah. 2022.
I know. I'm still not over 2020, and 2022 is very nearly here. So
it's crazy. You had a good summer. I hope you've enjoyed yourself. Done various different things. Do you have a good summer, Saffron?
We had a summer school actually. That was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed that.
Yeah, it was good meeting New Year 7s at Rugby 3. So yeah, it was good fun. What are we playing today, Saffron?
We are playing a game called Cat and Mouse. So basically, there's going to be a table set up with lots of obstacles. We're going to have some ping pong balls, and at the bottom of the table, there's 3 cups sellotaped, all with different points, and we have to try and get the ping pongs from one side of the table into those cups, and the one with the most points at the end wins.
I've never heard a ping pong ball or a table tennis ball described as ping pongs.
Ping pongs?
Ping pongs.
What do you call them?
Table tennis balls or ping pong balls. You just call them ping pongs. That's what I'm going to call them from now on. They are the ping pongs.
They are the ping pongs, yeah.
You may have seen, I don't know if you have seen, but on our Instagram story, we put a vote up to see if should we have a forfeit for the loser. Because normally it's just the joy of winning, the glory of winning, you know, we take that. Whereas this time it's not just that, because the people have spoken, Saffron.
Yeah.
The loser also has to do a forfeit. So if I win... when I win,
I'm feeling quite confident this year, so that's not going to happen.
I'm so happy we brought the forfeits in. It's going to be so much fun.
No, I might live to regret
So the forfeit for this week, if the loser has to take a bite out of an onion, like proper full-on apple-style bite.
I really want to win because I don't want to have onion breath for the rest of the day or cry eating the onion.
This is a game of chance, so you've got the best chance.
Yeah.
If it was skill, that'd be like, yay!
Yeah,
so let's do this.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Chris started off so confident. He was like, I'm going to win when I win. Can I just say, I beat him by a mile, which means he has to eat this onion.
Not eat the whole onion. I said take a bite out of it like you would an apple. That was the whole onion. I did also say it was a game of chance, so you had a chance of winning.
I mean, I think it was a little bit of skill as well, and you just failed miserably.
What was it, 125 to
80?
80.
45. I beat him by 45, so enjoy your onion. Oh, yeah, with the skin on. Oh, are you enjoying that? You ate it with the skin on?
What a stupid question.
Your face isn't giving anything away, so it's like maybe he's going to have onion breath for the rest of the day.
I got a meeting after this.
Yeah. No one's going to want to talk to you. Are you contemplating taking another bite?
I will do.
Yeah. Word. That's so gross. So gross. So guys, I won this week. What? Chris, I don't want to talk to him for the rest of the day. You can actually smell it. Guys, have a good week and we will see you in 2 weeks' time. See you later. Bye.